I had a feeling you guys got something to talking about this. I guess I was right. And ladies and gentlemen, this is quickly becoming my least favorite part of the show. The reason is, well, I've seen this done before. And these guys, they show no mercy whatsoever. It's like, I can't move a muscle, but they can do whatever they want.